You didn't know that you could make money by using Google Sites, did you? You probably already use these Google Sites, but you may not know that you can make money from them. If you stay with me until the end, I'll show you how this has become one of the easiest ways to make money on web today. It's easier because there aren't as many people doing it, which means you can make more money, and there is a good chance that you can make money online right now, so you are one of the lucky ones. Make sure you watch this video all the way through and don't skip any parts. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first step and the first website that I'll be showing you is called Ubersuggest. Type neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest in your browser search box and hit enter. Ubersuggest is a free Chrome extension and a powerful search engine optimization tool that displays monthly search volume, cost per click, and competition data for keywords. When you enter a specific keyword query on Google, YouTube, Amazon, and other search engine, Ubersuggest will generate keyword ideas for your content marketing strategy and production that are related to the keyword query. With Ubersuggest top search engine optimization pages reports, you can find out which of your competitors' pages are ranking for popular organic keyword phrases and which ones are popular with social media sites such as Facebook. You will no longer have to waste time creating content that people will not want to read. What's more, this website will undoubtedly assist you in earning money online. Now, I want you to create an account on this website. Start by clicking the sign in button located on the upper right side of the web page. And afterwards, you will be sent to this new page. Since you still do not have an account, click on the register here link to create one. You will be asked to put in your full name, your email address, and password. And then I want you to check the tiny box to confirm that you accept their terms and conditions, and then click register. They also give you option to create an account using your Google account. Now take note that this website gives you a 7-day free trial. After that, you will have to pay a subscription. However, what I suggest is you create a new account to utilize another 7-day free trial and just do it again and again. After creating your password, you will be sent to your dashboard. This is where you will be able to utilize the company's service. As you see on the left side, we have this keywords button. Click on it and you will see that there are subcategories under this. The first category is keyword overview. Here you will see the search volume of the keyword you typed in, its search engine's optimization difficulty, its paid difficulty, and CPC. The next one is keyword ideas. Under here, Ubersuggest will provide you with other keywords that are similar to relate to the keyword that you typed in. The third category is keywords by traffic. This is a tool that I actually just discovered that can literally help you start making money on Google sites. That is why this will be the category that we will be focusing on. Now, what I want you to do in this category is to type in the box a link instead of a keyword. Type in the link of Google Sites, which is sites.google.com. Now, why Google Sites? We will be using Google Sites to create a website that will definitely help you make money. I will be discussing this further later on. What this tool is going to do is to show you the most popular websites that were created using Google Sites. As you can see here, all of these websites receive thousands of visitors each month, and some of them generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. We'll use this tool right here to choose a website, and then we'll replicate them within our Google Site account. As a result, we will be able to begin earning money from the traffic. As you check out some of these websites, you can see that some are really complex to do, so we should find something that is a little bit easier to do. Now, as I was browsing the different pages of these results, I came across this site with a title 444 meaning. You can see here that this website has this number of searches per month. That is a lot, right? So if you go to the website and look around, you'll notice that they have a horoscope product on the front page, which is nice touch. These are essentially products that assist people in understanding themselves or in understanding what is going on in their lives by simply providing them with the solutions or by providing them with examples. Once I click on this picture, I will be taken to a link that will take me right to a page where I can buy the product that's been shown. It looks like this one is the product page. When I buy the advertised product, the person who made this free website in Google Sites will start making money. That's why they made the website. And since this website looks like a lot easier to replicate than the others, we will be choosing this website to start making money the same way they are. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The second step and the second website that I'll be showing you today is called Clickbank. Type clickbank.com on your browser search bar, and then you will be directed to the company's homepage. For those unfamiliar with Clickbank, it is an online affiliate marketplace that sells hundreds of digital commodities such as software, ebooks, and movies, among other things. This affiliate network acts as an agent between affiliates and vendors, and this is a website that will include the products that we will be able to feature on Google Sites website and begin to earn money from as a result. Simply click on the Start Here button to get started, and you will be required to answer a few questions in order for them to be able to assist you with what you desire, but you can choose to skip this step by clicking here. There will be now a sign-up form available, and you must enter the country in which you are located, your first and last name, phone number, email address, and of course your password in order to complete the process. Then after checking the small box to indicate that you agree with their terms and conditions, click the Join Clickbank button. If you are unable to register an account within Clickbank, you could visit this website named Digistore 24 instead. This is also an affiliate website that will have things that you can promote and begin earning money from as soon as you log into your account. Before proceeding, set up your bank account details by clicking here so that you can get paid out, and then you are all set. All you have to do next is click on the marketplace link at the top of the Clickbank page and scroll down to view all of the different categories of things that you can sell and start earning money from it. Clickbank offers a lot of products in different categories. They have products under arts and entertainment, business and investing, and so on. But since our chosen website is about horoscope, we will be choosing these categories: spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. Click on it and you will be shown a lot of products related to horoscopes. I want you to choose one product that is similar to your website inspiration, but you should take into consideration the amount of payout that you will get for every time someone uses your link to sign up and pay for the product. If it pays well, then I suggest you choose that option. The third step and the third website that I'll be showing you today is called freearticlespinner.com. This online word changer tool can rephrase, rewrite, and paraphrase sentences, paragraphs, or entire article for you at absolutely no cost at all. Using this tool, you'll be able to rewrite the content that you found on Clickbank, and no need to waste time composing a 1,000-word article. All you have to do is copy the content from the website and then paste it into the box on the left side of the free article spinner. After that, you'll be asked to enter this code right here and then click Spin Text to complete the process. This program will then spin the text and create a whole new article for you based on the information that you have provided. I would strongly advise that you read the content thoroughly, ensuring that it makes sense and it's free of errors. Now that you have your website inspiration, the product that you choose to sell, and the rephrased article, it's time for me to introduce you to the fourth and final website that I was talking about a while ago, where you will be promoting your product. Type in sites.google.com. Google Sites is a free website publishing platform where you can easily create a gorgeous, engaging website for your business. Before anything else, I want you to create an account on Google Sites. You simply use your Google account to sign up. Once you're done, you can now start replicating and rebuilding the website that we are trying to make money from. Now, I want you to choose any template that you want from the list. I'm going to click on this one, and it will take me to a page that looks similar to this. All of your tools are on the right side of the page. Here you can make your page look the way you want it to. If you want to add more text, add a YouTube video, or change the layout, just click on this button and you'll be able to do it. Also, if you want to put an image, you may do so, but you must ensure that the image is high quality. You may visit the website pexels.com, and they have free stock images that you can use for the website. Another thing is that you can also get images from Clickbank. Just click on the affiliate page button so that you can get free images that are related to the product you'll sell, and you can use these images to your website. Next, you may also start adding the rephrased article in your website. A professional looking website can be made with Google Sites because it has given you everything you need. Once you are done making your site's website, I want you to go back to Clickbank and go to the product that you chose. And then click that promote button located just beside the product. You will be able to copy the affiliate link here. You may attach the link in your added image or even your article in your Google Sites website, so that if someone clicks on that, they will be directed to the product page and you're going to start earning money. Once you are fully satisfied, you may now publish your website. It's time to get your free website up and running and see how many people can attract 100% naturally with this video. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.